Words to describe myself. Prone to accidents. They call me Grace, but I don't really know how I got that name. That kind of describes myself, I guess. So, what would be more perfect than me going to a chainsaw carving event? Yep, specifically the Chaptacular Chainsaw Carving event! The Chaptacular raises funds for cystic fibrosis. Hopefully, my nickname doesn't live up to itself this weekend, because I'd like to have all my phalanges and my arms and legs. Yeah. Those are kind of important.
Not 25.
It's the only job in the world that combines the speed and sound of motocross with the skill and accuracy of a brain, sir.
I'm the Northwoods carver. I've been carving for 25 years full time. It's a job, but not really, because I get to do what I love. So I stopped working the minute I started chainsaw carving. Well, the dust is settled, and this is the finished piece. As you can see, we accentuated a lot of the textures to bring it out, make the antlers pop, which is really cool, and just about any kind of lighting, it looks great.
After getting a few lessons from the pros, I decided to try to carve something myself. Then, it was time for the charity auction to begin.
The next piece was done by Abby Casey.
We're selling number 230. 190, 190, 110, 110, 120, 130, 240, 250, 290, 300. Sir, you got it at 300. 300.
Well, I came out alive with all my fingers and toes attached. Thank you, Jeff Moore, for creating that beautiful sign for Realtree. Last but not least, I want to give a huge thank you to the Nelson family for putting on this event. They raised over $40,000 for the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. That's amazing! Alright guys, time to like, share, subscribe to this magically appearing subscribe button to our channel right here. And thanks for watching!